Welcome to the BizMiz project. Through these short digital resources, we aim to help you to improve your online communication skills and your personal awareness on how to use ethically these communication channels. After this short video, you should have a better understanding of your communication skills and about the responsible approach to use within this frame. The notion of digital citizenship has evolved to encompass a range of competences, attributes and behaviours that harness the benefits and opportunities the online world affords while building resilience to potential harms. Digital citizenship refers to the ability to engage positively, critically and competently in the digital environment, drawing on the skills of effective communication and creation to practice forms of social participation that are respectful of human rights and dignity through the responsible use of technology. Who is a good digital citizen? Good digital citizens should respect themselves and the others, stand up to any inappropriate use, example cyberbullying, when they see it happening, respect copyright and intellectual property, carefully manage their digital footprint, balance the time they spend online and using media, stay safe online, protect private information for themselves and others. As citizens enjoy rights and responsibilities in the physical world, digital citizens in the online world also have certain rights and responsibilities. Digital citizens can enjoy the rights of privacy, security, access and inclusion, freedom of expression and more. However, with the rights come certain responsibilities, such as ethics and empathy and other responsibilities to guarantee a safe and responsible digital environment for all. The concept behind ethics is quite a complex one to define. In ancient Greece, it used to refer to the set of behaviours that an ideal society took as good or positive in order to keep or achieve peace and order. Something defined as ethical not only refers to a set of moral behaviours, but comprises the whole idea of moving towards what is good and positive, and moreover, caring for others. Being ethical means acting properly, but also, using Baden-Powell's words, doing one's own best to leave a place better than we found it. So online ethics is not only about knowing netiquette. And what is netiquette? Netiquette refers to internet etiquette. This simply means the use of good manners in online communication, such as email, forums, blogs, and other social networking sites, to name a few. It is important to use netiquette because communication online is non-verbal. Most often, online communication consists of reading something someone has typed. This type of communication does not allow each person to see facial expressions, body language, or hear intonation. Because of this, messages can often be misinterpreted. Digital spaces have become and will undoubtedly continue to be complex environments, especially in terms of the rights and responsibilities of their users. This complexity underscores the need for digital citizens to be aware of and properly understand their own online rights and responsibilities and those of others. You have now completed this short video which gave you an insight into how you can be a digitally competent citizen and businesswoman, aware of your own responsibility about any use or abuse through the online communication. For more resources that will help you to develop your digital and social media literacy, please visit the BizMiz e-learning portal at courses.bizmiz.eu.